Good morning, everybody. This is Judy Parcell. I was thinking this morning how I wanted to cover something with you about the different steps of developing a composition. And I'm going to use this particular project that I did to show you what I went through in arriving at my final piece. Now, this is a cartoon, and this little girl is walking along with a bouquet of bubbles, not balloons. I use bubbles because it's different. You can see through them. Most people use balloons. That's the first thing. I always like to do a little something that stands out from what other people do. She has a nice expression on her face. She's carrying a basket of flowers because I needed to do something with that hand, otherwise it would be very awkward. So this is the drawing that I started out with. Now I used my handy dandy template just to save time, because it's a lot easier to draw through the template to make the circles. That's a time saver right there. So I was looking at it and I said, it's really cute. It's just a really cute little girl. Cute little composition. I really like it. But I want to put a background in it. So I did. Now I will admit that I developed the background in Photoshop because it is a time saver and because it is also an invaluable tool in creating a project. It takes your art to a whole nother level. I painted the background very subtle so that it's not competing with the subject, which is the girl with the bubbles. And I added the rising lines because it's a cartoon and you can get away with that. I put some bushes down here for perspective, and anyway, in the cartoon itself, it's looking like she's rising up. In the final composition, I changed it up a bit. I wanted to put happy birthday in it because I am a card creator. So I put the happy birthday down below and the background, and I said that'll make a cute card. The background tells you what kind of a day it is. It tells you where she is, and she could be floating. I took those little float lines out. I didn't like them, and I left it to the viewer to decide whether she was rising up or just walking along. Anyway, those are my ideas for this video, and I hope you have a great day, and thank you for joining me.